Hello. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert yuan currency symbol in a document using your keyboard shortcuts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So yuan is the Chinese currency symbol, and this is how it looks like. To insert it in a document using your keyboard shortcut, just head over to Word document and click on insert. From here, go to symbol, and then you should see we have the yuan symbol here. Now if you click on it, it will be inserted. However, we want to create a shortcut for this. To do that, go back to the symbols and click on more symbols, and this will take you to these symbols page with the yuan currency symbol already selected. We want to assign it a shortcut on our keyboard, and you can do that by clicking on shortcut here. Here you can see under current keys we have none, and now we can set our own by just entering a combination of any characters on your keyboard. For instance, I want to assign this Alt plus 6. So each and every time I press a combination of Alt plus 6, then yuan currency symbol should be typed. To assign it, now click on assign, and now we have this assigned. So if I close this like that and now press Ctrl plus 6, you can see yuan currency symbol will be typed. So that's how you can type or insert yuan currency symbol on your document using these keyboard shortcuts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.